In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your single leg stability whilst also having a valgus resistance applied to the leg. So what we're going to need here is two things, one of which is a resistance band, and the second thing is something to pop and anchor the resistance band around. So if I'm working my valgus resistance, I'm going to have my left leg here in contact with the band, and I'm going to have the band in a position where it's just above my knee. Now, of course, if I wanted to work my right side, I would have my back towards the camera, so my right leg was the furthest one away from the anchor point. It won't work unless the leg that you've got your single leg balance on is the furthest one away from the anchor point. So from here, I'm actually going to have this right leg over, so in front of the band. I'm going to come into a position now where I come up, stabilize, and the band is pulling me in towards where the anchor point is. And I'm starting now to have that valgus resistance applied. I'm having to really work on trying to keep my knee pointing forwards and not let it dip in as I then get pulled in with the resistance of the band. That's how to work your valgus resistance with single leg stability.